Is that your little horsey, Mama? Cute horsey. Make a sound.
Make a sound. Let's see what she does.
Do it again. Do it again.
Press the ear, Gabby. Press the ear. Squeeze it. Do it again. Squeeze it. Yeah, like that. Press the red button. Yeah. Here, let me help you. I don't hit him hard.
Gabby, look over here.
Look at mommy.
It's your horse. You want to get on the horse? You want to get on the horse?
That's the turn.
Yeah? Wow, that's a nice horsey.
Up we go. Hang on to the handles.
Huh?
Baby. There we go.